Hi guys, I'm Mel and this is my adventure journal. I know lahat tayo hindi makapag-travel dahil sa health crisis na kinakaharap ng buong mundo. We should not lose hope and continue praying one another in the whole world. Hindi porket na hindi tayo makapag-travel, hindi na tayo pwede magplano ng ating mga future trips. Kaya lang mahaba-habang pagpaplano nga lang ang mangyayari. At least mapag-aaralan din natin ito ng mabuti at iipunan din. So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you our DIY itinerary in Taiwan for 4 days. I'll start sa pag-alis namin sa Philippines and I'll be using a Codigo. Our flight with AirAsia is 7:45 a.m. and ang estimated time of arrival namin in Taiwan is 10:05 a.m. So we arrived in Naiya Terminal 3, joke lang, at 1 a.m. We checked in 2:44 a.m. Breakfast kami sa Jollibee 3:46 a.m. and boarding namin is 7:27 a.m. Ang haba namin naghintay kasi syempre iniiwasan namin malate tsaka baka mamaya magkaroon ng problems along the way. So hinabaan talaga namin yung time. While waiting na din, natulog na lang din ako kasi nung time na yun wala talaga akong tulog. We arrived in Taiwan Airport at 9:53 a.m. With regards with commute and expenses namin sa Taiwan, I made a separate video about that. So I'll just link the videos down below and at the IA section. Umalis kami ng Taiwan Airport ng 11:29. Harating kami ng hotel ng 12:45 p.m. 1 hour ang bus ride and then pumunta kami sa hotel para iiwan lang yung mga luggage namin. Then we decided to eat lunch. Syempre, wala kaming kain-kain. Yung kain lang namin is yung Jollibee sa airport. Nakakapag-lunch kami sa modern toilet at 2:17 p.m. kasi naligaw kami. And then, yung second reason is kailangan ng reservation pagkakain sa modern toilet. So, better magpa-reserve. Habang kumakain kami sa modern toilet, biglang umulan. So, we decided to cancel out some of the places na kailangan namin i-visit on that day, which is the Longshan Temple, Shanghai, and ang Sun Yat-sen Memorial. I'm sorry if the pronunciation is terrible. Kinancel out na namin yung places na yun kasi dahil sa ulan, hindi namin ma-enjoy yung place and then hindi kami makapag-pictorial, yun eh. Bumalik na lang kami sa hotel and we just rest. Mga 3:38 p.m. After an hour, we decided to look for the shilling market na. And that time was 4:54 p.m. And dun din nagsimula yung pagkawala-wala namin sa lugar na yun. And we got on track ng 6:02 p.m. So, bale 1 hour and 8 minutes kaming paikot-ikot sa lugar. And good thing may tumulong sa amin na local. And we got to Shilin Market at 6:37 p.m. Nag-dinner kami doon and ito yung place na kinainan namin. I don't know the name kasi purong Taiwanese characters. So, hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan yan. So, that was 7:14 p.m. And we got back to our hotel at 9 p.m. So, that's day 1. For day 2, we woke up at 5 a.m., had our breakfast at 6:16 a.m., and then travel time to Yelu Geopark is 1 to 2 hours. We got to Yelu Geopark at 9:09 a.m. and we stayed there hanggang 10:43 a.m. Snack time namin is 11:16 a.m. Nag-snack kami sa may labas ng Geopark sa may 7-Eleven while waiting for the bus. So, ang travel time to Jifen Old Street is 1 to 2 hours. And then we arrived in Jifen Old Street at 2:11 p.m. to 4:27 p.m. And then, we got lost for 27 minutes dahil kakahanap ng bus stop. But our travel time to Shifen is 1 to 2 hours. Excluded na dun yung pagiging lost namin. Shifen Old Street, we got there at 7:01 p.m. to 7:56 p.m. And nung nakarating kami doon, puro sarado na yung mga stores, and then wala na masyadong kainan. So we decided to eat sa Rauhe Night Market. And by the way, ang last train sa Shifen Old Street is 8:44 p.m. Yung nasakyan namin, yun talaga yung last train. Travel time namin to Rauhe is 1 hour and 30 minutes. And then we got to Rauhe Night Market at 10:10 p.m. to 11:46 p.m. Syempre, nag-ikot pa kami. And then nag-rest kami ng 12:05 a.m. And here is the challenging day of all 4 days. Because the day 3 is Taichung, and Taichung is a province and it's far away from the city. Sa version namin, we took the bus, but I recommend you guys to use the high-speed train kasi 700 NT yun pero 1 hour lang. Kasi yung travel time namin sa Taichung is 4 to 5 hours. So, kung ayaw nyo ng ganun kahaba, mag high-speed train na lang kayo. And then, ang original plan namin that day was Longshan Flower Market, and then Talato, Sinshi Castle, and Miyahara, and then the Rainbow Village. Pero dahil nga sa ang haba-haba ng travel time sa Taichung, ang nagawa na lang namin is dalawa, which is the Longshan Flower Market and the Rainbow Village. We woke up at 4:30 a.m. Yun nga, ang travel time namin is 4 to 5 hours. And kasama na doon yung pagkakaligaw-ligaw namin and yung walking time namin. So we arrived at Longshan Flower Market at 11:55 a.m. Then 48 minutes kami nag-ikot. Parang sa 48 minutes na yun, hindi kami na-satisfy. And nagugutom na kami. So we had our lunch. Ang lunch namin dun sa may tapat lang. And please watch our vlogs. So yeah. Bumalik kami sa flower market ulit ng 1:37 p.m. hanggang 2:51 p.m. kami doon. Supposedly, ang travel time to Rainbow Village is 30 minutes to 1 hour. Kaya lang, ang nangyari sa amin is 4 hours. Kasi naligaw kami na hindi namin napara yung bus. Naglakad kami. And sa isang bus, dalawa ang number. So yeah, after namin sa Rainbow Village. So pabalik ng Taipei, sa bus na lang kami kumain dahil 4 hours nga ang biyahe. So we were able to rest at 1 a.m. So day 4 is my favorite kasi around the city lang siya and ang dali-dali ng transportation sa Taipei kaya super enjoy ako doon. Mga minutes lang talaga yung travel time. Since around the city lang naman yung tour namin on that day, we woke up at 6:15 a.m. We had our breakfast at 7. Oh yeah, by the way, yung mga hindi namin napuntahan ng day 1, pinuntahan namin ng day 4 kasi ito yung mga places na masasabi mong nakarating ka sa Taipei kasi nakarating ka doon. Alam ko may exact word doon pero nalimutan ko talaga. Ang una namin pinuntahan is the Shanghai Memorial Hall. 30 minutes lang ang biyahe namin papunta doon. And then, we got there at 8:50 a.m. to 10:05 a.m. Ang opening or change ng guards sa Shanghai is 9 o'clock. Ang travel time namin to Taipei 101 is 20 minutes. Biruin nyo, malilate na kami nun, hindi kami na late. Tapos, Taipei 101, 10:30 a.m. to 12:51 p.m. Super nag-enjoy kami sa Taipei 101 kasi mukha kaming and then, nag-lunch kami ng 1:52 p.m. So, yeah. Ang haba ng pila. Travel time to Elephant Mountain is 40 minutes. Nakarating kami ng Elephant Mountain na 3:35 p.m. Tapos, we stayed there or nakababa kami ng 5:15 p.m. Travel time to Longshan Temple is 47 minutes. We got there at 6:28 p.m. to 6:53 p.m. So after all the temples, the parks, the mountain stuff, pumunta naman kami sa mga night market. Una namin pinuntahan is the Wufenpu, 7:48 p.m. Well, ang Wufenpu namin dapat is yung second day. Kaya lang parang napansin namin na ang daming saradong stores. So, Pinuntahan na lang namin din ng last day kasi gusto namin makabili ng clothes, bags. So, after namin doon, pumunta naman kami sa Ximending ng 9:30 p.m. And doon, maraming kainan, marami ring mga mabibiling pasalubong, clothes, bags. Pero kasi parang Wufen po, mas parang Taytay siya, ganun. Mga locals. Ang Ximending more on brands. Yun yung napansin ko. And then, hindi kami na-satisfy sa mga bit-bit naming pasalubong. So, we decided to visit the grocery na malapit sa hotel namin na 24 hours. So, nandun kami ng 11 p.m. And then, nakapagpahinga kami ng 1 a.m. kasi we have to pack all the pasalubong and everything. The last day, nung pabalik na kami ng Philippines, we woke up at 4:30 a.m. Breakfast is 5:16 a.m. By the way, ang breakfast namin is McDo, which is free sa hotel. So, nung nag-take out and then kinain sa hotel yung breakfast. And then, check-out is 5:50 a.m. Travel time to airport via connecting trains and walk is 1 to 2 hours. And then, check-in kami sa airport ng 8:20 a.m. Boarding kami ng 9:52 a.m. and arrival namin sa Philippines is 12:49 p.m. Hindi naman delay yung mga flight namin, mga advance din siya ng ilang minutes. So, yeah. And that's it for today's episode. I hope you learned something, and if you have questions, just comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at I'mTheRareMel. I am pleased to help you, my fellow travelers, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!